Riri Akristiano marathie na mbere na kuririkana gukua kuriuka kwa Mwathani Jesu. Aingi ni mohete thabari guthie icagi-ini na niguo kunyitanira na endwa ao hamwe na arata thiini wa mambura maya. No na kuhana uguo athii ni mekorire hatika-ini thutha wa thabari ciao kuhana ta ingitura kurumirira unyihu wa ngari cia ukui, undu uria ucungireirie marihi gukorwo makiongerereka. O niguo gukuhanaga icukiro-ini na cingiriro-ini cia ngari miena itiganite guku mucii wa Nairobi, athii makionekana gukua ngoro na kuria amwe ao moigite thabari ciao ciaya gutura.
Nie hatie gukinya ha ndemwe tigitie 15 na up to now tutitrona ngari cia guthie Naikuru, na hari uguo no tuongereirwo na thogora wa ngari turariha magana meri makiria ya uria turihaga magana mana, na koguo ni turakenera Easter tiga hihi ni challenge ya guthie.
Nilikuwa niende jana, lakini jana jioni hakukuwa, jana usiku hakukuwa na magari. Sasa nikaambia nikuja asubuhi saa hizi kuna magari.
Gukigiaga na muhatikano munene kurumirira unyihu wa ngari cia ukui, athii amwe mwena wa Mombatha ni moire mweke wa kuhuthira mugithi. Haha ni gicukiro-ini kia mugithi mwena wa Gicua-ini, amwe magicuka na angi makiingira. Ona kuhana uguo ruhonge rwa kuramata wigirereki barabara-ini ruo NTSA ni ruhinyiriirie matereba makorwo na wigirereki makiria riri ciana irahinga mathukuru. Agikongwira mambura ma Easter kanitha-ini wa AIC mwena wa Lang'ata, munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet ni ateterithitie ni mongereire namba ya maabithaa barabara na niguo gutigirira mawatho ma barabara ni mathingatwo uria kwagiriire.
To that extent, we have put in place measures to ensure there is safety on our roads. You'll see increased presence of our officers on our roads. And our appeal to our drivers, our motorists, to exercise due care and caution as they travel in various directions and ensure that your vehicles are also roadworthy so that you don't have needless breakdowns on our highway. Number two is protecting our critical infrastructure, because we know that many people could be away, so we want to make sure that our infrastructure is also secured.
Kenya ni moritio gutigirira ni mahimbiria mawatho ma barabara na makiria mambura-ini maya ma Easter. Muigai wa Gathungu, mutamburuko wa mohoro.